this actually is fun.
Of course it's fun. I knew it would be fun. All right, I have my big girl here with me, my favorite garden helper. She helped me plant potatoes. She's always helping me in the garden, right? But the special thing about these potatoes in particular, when most people think of planting potatoes, they plant a whole potato. They don't plant a seed, right? If you've ever planted a potato before, you plant a whole potato, then it sprouts. You're not necessarily planting a seed. These plants, however, did originally come from a seed. We planted true potato seeds, Clancy. We started the seed, we grew them, we harvested the potatoes, they were delicious. We ate all the big ones, but then we saved the little potatoes that we grew from true potato seed, TPS, and that's what this is. We planted whole potatoes like normal potatoes, but those potatoes came from true potato seed. Do you think we have a lot of potatoes?
Yeah.
And look, they're red ones.
Ooh,
So we
those
get
are
it.
cool. Oh,
Done. All right, you want to help me start? I think first thing we should do is just pull any of them up and see if we can get potatoes with it. I see some.
either one of them. Where's one?
Whoa. Right here, so I brought a bag. So start pulling out the potatoes. Here,
I see two.
give me the potatoes. In here, good job. Once we know the plant has no more on it, like this one, let's throw it in our compost pile.
I got a lot.
You see on that one? Look, you dropped some. Some of them are dropping in there.
It's good they're not falling on the ground.
Oh, here's a good one. Do you want this one?
Yeah.
I'll give you that one. I'll trade you.
Oh.
That sounded like a big one. It sounded heavy. Whoa, see, and there's some still in here. Nice.
Yeah, we're getting a lot of them.
We like potatoes.
Hey, I think getting dirty is fun. Sometimes dirty isn't really getting fun. That
I told you, getting dirty is fun.
you potatoes are
Yeah,
mine.
you got some. Good job.
Hey, Ronnie?
Oh, look at all those. So many.
I'm taking all of them.
Your help? Yeah, you're good at collecting them.
Hey. I think they're too much for me to handle.
Well, then do more hand. You'll have to do different
I'm
trips.
dropping a lot.
Ah. Here, what if I hold this open for you?
Okay. I'm ready.
Good job. Keep doing that. Keep turning it over like excavator.
I thought that was going to work.
Look, there's bugs in here. There's a roly-poly, a bug. You want him? Can you release him out there? Or maybe into the compost pile. He'll be happy in our compost pile.
Right here.
Over here.
You want a roly-poly? I'll put you where you belong.
Roly-polies like helping decompose our stuff, so they'll eat all the dying plant matter and turn it into more plant food.
You know, this actually is fun.
Of course it's fun. I knew it would be fun.
Okay, where's the potato?
Did you eat it?
Nope.
Is it in your hand?
My armpit.
You sneak. At first you were worried about getting your hands dirty. Now you're getting dirty armpits. All right, I can't find any more. I think we found them all.
Yeah, I dropped it. Oh, I found it.
What?
I see a worm.
Let me see.
It's right here.
Pull it out and put it in the compost pile.
A big.
Oh, that is a good big worm. Put it over here in the compost pile.
Is it alive?
Is it moving? It looks alive. Come on. There's lots and lots of worms in a compost pile. Then put it in the at the bottom of the pile. It'll like our compost pile, sweetie.
I actually like this finding all the animals and taking care of them.
We found a roly-poly and a worm.
Yeah.
All right, this is our second generation of Clancy potatoes.
And also the most beautiful
Aren't they the most beautifulest? Not as many as I was hoping for, and not nearly as big as I was hoping for, but hey, it's homegrown food and it's gonna taste delicious, and I gotta do it with my daughter, so I loved it.
I want to get all of the big ones.
All right, take all the big ones and we'll eat them first.
Yeah.
All right. All right, thanks for your help, sweetie pie.
This is our big pile.
Nice. All right, thanks for watching.